Alright, we're done with the workout, and not gonna lie, I can't come in the night. I gotta change the schedule again because it's not the same as the other days where I was coming in the night, you know, after just like work, chill. But now it's kind of different, and the reason is because I have homework, I have more things that I'm working on, which makes me more tired, right? So of course, you know, it's not the same energy as just regular job, you know, and chill, you know. So I'm like studying, gotta do homework, figure out how I'm going to do this, how I'm to do that. So it's kind of like a pickle. It's kind of like hard. Oh, I'm very tired. I'm very tired. I really gotta go to sleep. So I'm gonna go ahead now, and I'm gonna try to go to sleep right away. I don't think I'm gonna eat anything. I think I'm gonna make a good breakfast tomorrow morning before I go to work. So I think I'm gonna do that. I really want to go to work at 10 o'clock tomorrow and work probably 6 hours, 7 hours. Maybe do that, and then from there just have the afternoon to chill, which tomorrow is supposed to be like a, you know, like a day where I don't work. But the thing is, I didn't work on Monday because of Labor Day. Shit, this is gonna fall. This is gonna fall because of my fault. Well, and that's fine, right? Alright. So yeah, guys, I've been trying to make more content and making more content. I'm very publishing, putting content in Instagram too. I really gotta post, record some videos and edit them. I gotta research, I gotta read. I got so much stuff to do. I'm applying for new jobs. Want to be a loan specialist. I'm trying to find some companies with benefits and try to change the company that I'm working for right now, which is Avis. I'm really tired of work there. There's no PTO. For the people that don't know what PTO is, it's paid time off. There's no benefits. I don't have dental insurance. I don't have health insurance. I don't have a 401k. I don't have anything, any type of insurance, any type of anything. So all I do is work for an hourly rate, which it does help me, it does save me, it does pay my bills, it does pay my rent and all the things that I need as far as right now. But the thing is, I don't have any benefits, and I'm not learning anything new. I'm not learning anything. So I mean, to the point where I am 21 years old, but I really want to challenge myself more. I want to learn more. I want to get into the loan industry. I want to learn from it. I want to post from it. I want to get clients from it. Then I want to get certified, and I want to be a loan officer. So then I want to do this for like a year, do a couple months, see if I can certify myself. And after I get certify myself, I want to try to make more money. And not specifically here on Greenville, South Carolina, where I'm at, but going to another state where I can work and make more money, you know, even like a remote position, because from that you can work remote and more. Because I speak 2 languages, I could try to see if I can make, you know, a lot of more money and do remote too, do a hybrid position, do like a being at home, creating my own office, which I have my office already, you know, going to the Dominican Republic and spending time in there on the beach, in an apartment on the beach, or going to Hawaii and check on my girl and just be there and work at the same time from the beach, work at the same time from wherever I'm at. And that's one of my dreams. That's my dream right there, which is being on an apartment on whatever, close to the beach, on the beach, checking on the, you know, beach, drink a cappuccino, drink a beer, drink this, and be working at the same time, having my phones and receiving calls, receiving emails, and doing the job from wherever I'm at, not having to be in an office. So I'm able to be free from like having to be somewhere, you know. Even though, let's say I have like a 9 to 5 schedule, or 10 to 5 or whatever. But I could be anywhere else where I could say, well, after I finish work, I just go ahead on the beach. I just go ahead and nap somewhere nice. I just go ahead and have some fun somewhere where it's not like you boring like here. So that's one of my plans. I'm really working towards that. I'm really working towards being able to work remotely, hybrid, getting ready for my career, getting ready for after graduation. Those are things that I'm looking for to make way more money. I do want to make more money, and I do want to be free. So I really want to combine whatever I'm going to do with my career. I want to combine it with social media, and with that, what that's going to make is getting more clients, getting more people, getting more reach, getting more audience, getting more people to see what I do, and getting more customers for the company that I work for. Then trying to get equity, trying to get, ads, equity on the company that I'm working for, more benefits, not just money. And making more money, doing deals, and getting more and more, and then investing from there, getting apartments, getting villages, getting houses on the beach, Dominican. I really want to invest in Dominican, and I really want to have, I want to have properties here too, but I really want to have properties on Dominican, and I really want properties on Europe, where I could go, somewhere where there's like a forest, where it's cold, that I have like a nice truck, nice sports car with a house, being chill. So that's one of the things that I'm looking for on my life. That it's going to take a while. It is going to take a while. Not gonna lie, these type of things, for you to be able to accomplish it, you gotta work really hard without stopping. So I'm looking towards it. I just realized I have my microphone of the camera with me in the shirt, which that's very stupid, but I got it. I think I'm gonna go to sleep right away. I'm really tired, and I have to go and do breakfast tomorrow morning before I go to work, and I want to sit in the computer. I wish I could record some videos before I go. I'm not really sure if I'm going to be able to, but I'm going to try my best to do that. Try my best to see what's going on, do some research on something, and watch some news and stuff that is happening at the exact same date. So I'll see you guys in the next video.